I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the essentials: the voucher code, the portal address, and confirming your smart TV supports Wi-Fi and browser login. Power on the TV and open network settings. Select Wi-Fi to scan networks. If the voucher requires a captive portal, connect to the provided SSID. Otherwise, join the usual hotspot. Once done, note the TV's IP or MAC if the voucher portal needs device registration. This gets you past setup friction and lets you proceed to the portal. Next, open the TV's web browser or the network's captive portal page. You may be redirected automatically when joining the SSID. Type the voucher code carefully. O versus 0 and I versus 1 are common mistakes. Then fill any required info such as email or device MAC address. Make sure to accept terms and choose the correct time package if prompted. If the portal times out, refresh the page and reselect the network. After submission, wait for confirmation before testing connectivity. Finally, verify the connection by running the TV's network tester and launching a short streaming clip. Low resolution is fine for verification. If the TV shows no internet, reboot the TV and router and try the portal again, re-entering the voucher if the session expired. Make sure the ISP hasn't restricted the voucher to specific MAC addresses and that the voucher hasn't already been consumed. If problems persist, use the TV's IP/MAC to register the device on the portal or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.